guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, I have 5 monster truck here and there is many colorful toys. Wow, all are colorful and brand new. So friends, at first I will introduce all of my toys with you, and next I will collected all of this toy in this truck. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first, see, at first is a police helicopter. See, this is police helicopter. Wow, this is very big size police helicopter. See this color is white color, blue color and gray color combination. So friends, I collect this big size helicopter in my truck. Wow, this is loaded. Next one is a big size bird. See, this is big size bird. See this color, yellow and purple color combination. So I collect this bird in my truck. Wow, this is nice and color combination. And next one is a 3D Trajan car. See, this is 3D Trajan car. This color white, silver, red and yellow color combination. And this wheel is black and white color combination also. So friends, I collect this in my truck. Next one is a, see, this is a animal truck. Wow, this is an animal truck. See this color is yellow, paste, black and red color combination. Wow, there is an animal. See, this is a cow. Wow, this is a cow. So friends, I collect this animal truck in my big truck. Wow. And next one is a small elephant car. See, this is a small elephant car. See this color is red color, pink color and purple color combination. Wow, so collect this in my truck here. Wow. And next one is a small moving tram to car. See this color is white, pink and paste orange color combination. Wow, so I collect this small size car in my truck here. Wow, this is collected. And next one is a big size tourist bus. This is big size tourist bus. See this color, this is red color, black color, paste color, yellow color and white color combination also. So friends, I collect this big size bus in my truck here. Wow, this is collected. And next one is a lovely bike. See, this is lovely bike. Wow, this full body color is pink color and this wheel are black. Wow. So friends, I collect this in my truck here. And next one and last one is a high speed bike R17. See this color, this full body color is yellow color and these wheels are black and white color combination. So I collect this in my truck here. Wow. See friends, all of my trucks are loaded with many colorful of toys here. See, all are colorful and brand new. So friends, wasting any more time, let's go from here.